Are you looking for folding electric bikes? Or as a matter of fact, any other electric or e-bike? Look no further than Green Path Electric Bikes for the best high-end electric bicycles. Our e-bikes are economical, efficient, safe, stylish, easy on the environment, and most importantly, just plain fun. We offer a wide selection of the finest electric bicycles in the market today, in every price category and from the best manufacturers in the business. We carry Go Cycle, Strummer, Pedigo, Easy Motion, High Bike, Magnum, Optibike, HPC electric bikes, iZip, and many more. Our large inventory offers the best variety of mid-drive electrical bikes, fat tire e-bikes, mountain e-bikes, long-distance electric bikes, affordable e-bikes, urban e-bikes, high-performance fast e-bikes, even cargo electric bikes. Our folding electric bikes are perfect for the urban environment as well as for boaters, RVs, or even for owners of light planes. We are the #1 seller of e-bikes to the New York metro area, but we serve the entire continental United States with free delivery, no taxes, and have financing available. For more information on quality folding electric bikes, please call us at 718-788-1181 or visit greenpathelectricbikes.com.